Let's create a global footer using Elementor. So let's go to the dashboard. From here in the Elementor we can go to the theme builder and we will select footer and we will add new on it. And we can use already designed footers, like these are the footers are available. We just need to click on insert. Let's say this one. Here you can see the footer is just inserted, and we just need to update the content and the colors theme. Okay, and our footer will be ready. Okay, so let me show you. Just go here and apply for the entire website, save it, and let's go on the front end. Here you can see on the footer home page, this is the global header and here is the global footer. So here you can see this is looking good, but we just need to change the branding, theme, color themes, and change the content, and our footer will be ready. But what we will do, we will remove it and we will start it from the scratch. So I'll go here, add the container, main container, and let's do it in a way like, yeah, the main container, and here we will add just make it give it a background color. From here our primary background color, here you can see. And now I'll add a text editor. We'll go here and select the text. Now let's make its color white, text color white, so it should be visible. Here you can see. Now update the content. We'll go to the content. Here we will write copy, write at option. For the MacBook you can use click option and then G. Here you can see all rights reserved by rover.com, and I think it's copyright singular, not copyrights. So let's go for the next column. I'll go here and here we will use 4 columns design. So first we will use the our logo. We can use this one, or I think we can go for a transparent. Okay, let's do some styling on it. I'll go here in the style and then I'll go to the background. From here I'll select this, but I'll make it some lighter mode. Here you can see. Okay, so let's go to the logo and I'll select it. I'll go to the tree and from here I'll go here, and here in the landing page I think I have this one, the white logo. Here you can see. Okay, so after that we will add a little description like this. Change its color. Its color should be white so it is readable. So let's make its typography a little weight it give. Yes, this is good. Now update the content. I'll go here, select all, paste. So now in the next section I think we should decrease its size a little bit, like this one, and right align. Let's make it 60, and let's add some top padding. Unlock top padding, let's give it 80. Oh, it's bottom, I'll want to give it 80, and the bottom we can give it 20 because we need to keep it consistent with this section. So Now I'll add the heading. Sorry, why it is here. Drop here. I'll make it quick links. Quick links, and let's make its color white so it looks good, and adjust its typography 18. Okay, make it 20, and it's already bold, so you're good to go with it. After that, I'll take a list. Here you can see list, and we will remove the icons, and let's make it home, about. After that, we can use services. Then we could have portfolio. What we have else? Portfolio blog contact. So we can add blog. Okay, blogs and then contact. So these are the options. Let's make it style, add some style to it, make it white color, and yeah, color is fine now. Let's go here in the main section, main column, and from here we will increase the column gap. Let's make it 40. Yes, now we have some gap, decent gap between the columns. So in the list, I think we should increase the space between. Let's 8 pixels is okay. So let's go for the another heading. I think I'll copy. Sorry. Let's duplicate and keep it here. Let's make it legal. And let me know we can add the, let's go here and menu. We can add a menu here. This is also possible that we can add the menu. From here we can use the vertical, and after that we can style it. Like we'll go, okay, first we will remove the underline, its pointer. After that we'll go to the here style, and in the style we'll make the color white so it could be visible. Here you can see. Now we can decrease the vertical padding or space between. Space between is already okay. We can decrease the vertical padding like this. Okay, and now we can just remove this and we can use this here, and we can have, let's see what we have more options. Drop down toggle buttons. Okay, so we'll go here. Let's see, is there any padding option? Vertical padding and horizontal padding. Yes, now this is okay. Now it is aligned with this. So publish. Let's see on the front end how it is looking. Here you can see. So now when we will click on it, we will be on home page, about page, services page. Okay, now for the legal links, let's go to the back, because we don't have any legal pages right now, so we cannot create the menu. The first option is that we should go and create the menu. We'll go here back. Let me do this. Appearance, and in the menu, Now here you can see we don't have any legal menus like terms of condition, privacy policies, so these options we don't have here. We will go back to the editor here, and here we will take a list. We'll go here, list, and I'll add the list items, and then I'll go to the, I'll remove this icon, remove this, and then we can use privacy policy, and we can add another item. Now let's go to the style, and first we will give it text color white so it could be visible, and now we'll go to the list and increase the gap or spacing between. Here you can see. Okay, so this column is also completed. Let's go for the social icons. I'll go here, social icons, drag and drop here, and let's add some Facebook. Okay, let's add another. Yeah, we can WordPress. I think Instagram is good to add. LinkedIn, I think I should go for all, and we'll select this one, LinkedIn, and one more. Let's WordPress. Let's do with it. So now we'll go to the, from here we will select the column 1, so it could be in a single line column. Now we will remove okay, let's go with it, and let's go to the style, add some style, official color to custom, primary color we will make it transparent. Yes, these are good. So let's see if it is possible that we can add the name along with icons. Let's go here and official colors. Okay, so there is no option that we can along the icons we can add the names as well. So let's make it left align. Let's see on the front end, refresh. Here you can see. So what we can do, we have another option that we'll go here, remove this, we will use icon list. You can see icon list is very important. From here we can select Facebook, like we can select this one. Let's go, and first we will add some styling to it. We'll go here, white color, and then the text we will make it white as well. Oops. Let's go and increase the size of text icon. Okay, this is the, okay, so let's go back here, Facebook, let's duplicate. From here I'll select Instagram. Here you can see style is already added, so no need of adding it again. And let's go for the 6 social icons are added. Let's go to the style, and let's add some spacing between. Let's make it 16, and then in the text we will go to the typography, and from here we can give it a weight of 500. No, I think 600. Yes, and transform uppercase. Now this is good. Let's see on the front end. Here you can see the footer is also completed, and this is looking. I think we should reduce some top padding. I'll go to the editor. From here I'll go advanced and let's make it 30. Yes, that's enough. And another thing we can do, we can go to the style, and in this style we can go to the border, and here I will add solid border and unlock it. I'll give it on the top only, so on the 3, and make its color the accent color. Let's see how it looks on the front end. We'll go here. Yes, this is looking good. I think border is also looking very good, so we will keep it.